Welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will talk about 10 best digital picture frame with buying guides and reviews. Welcome to the lively and accessible world of the best digital picture frame where you can showcase your most thesis memories. High quality digital frames are in high demand in the current digital era because they offer a fashionable and adaptable means of showcasing image and videos. The top 10 digital picture frames are listed here, each with unique features and capabilities to accommodate different display requirements and tastes. But before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. 32 GB Fremio 10.1-inch Smart Wi-Fi digital photo frame, 1280 by 800 IPS LCD touchscreen. Features option for private and secure sharing, slideshow parameters that can be changed to provide a personalized viewing experience and intuitive touch interface that make navigation simple. Several options for positioning, wall mount or tabletop. Number 2. Fremio 101 Fremio 10.1-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame, 1280 by 800 HD IPS touchscreen photo frame, electronic. Features are 1280 by 800 high definition screen for crisp, vibrant image. Thousands of pictures and videos are stored on a large 32 GB memories using the Fremio app for real-time sharing to facilitate connectivity. Auto rotate for viewing in both landscape and portrait mode. Number 3. Aura digital picture frame, 10.1 HD matte display wire cutter, best digital frame for gifting. Feature for real-time update, share directly for your phone. Privacy safeguard for authorized safe photo sharing, known as one of the best options for gift. For optimal viewing, automatic brightening adjustment is used. Number 4. 10.1 Wi-Fi digital picture frame, IPS touchscreen smart cloud, a digital photo frame with a 14 GB storage. Features vibrant and clear 10.1-inch IPS screen for details and vibrant image. Thousands of images can be stored on the 16 GB internal storage. Easy straightforward sharing for distinct update via the Fremo app. Auto rotate capability for either landscape or portrait mode. Number 5. A 10.1-inch digital picture frame with 32 GB USB flash drive, KECAG 1920 by 1080. HD IPS screen digital photo frame. Features adjusting a 1920 by 1080 HD IPS screen to produce sharp image. Enough storage space of 32 GB for a sizable media library. Allow for the playback of music, videos and photos for multimedia experience. Motor sensor for energy saving functionality. Number 6. Dragon Touch 10.1 Wi-Fi digital picture frame. Features clear 1280 by 800 HD IPS screen for vibrant, brilliant pictures sharing instant with the free app for uninterrupted connectivity. A feature that rotates automatically for a variety of viewing positions and intuitive touch screen makes navigating simple. Number 7. UHL Digital picture frame 32 GB storage 10.1 inch Wi-Fi electronic photo frame feature vibrant image quality on Aqib's AD IPS display. Large storage capacity of 32 GB for an extensive collection of photos, good for SD card for convenient memory expansions, Wi-Fi access to share images and movies remotely. Number 8. Framio 10.1 Wi-Fi digital picture frame smart digital photo frame with 16 GB storage features and easy to use touchscreen for simple navigation, a simple and quick setup procedure that works for all users, slideshow parameters that can be changed for a unique experience, adaptable design for wall and a tablet installation, tabletop installation. Number 9. Digital photo frame 10.1 inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame IPS HD touch screen. It features simple navigation with an intuitive touch screen interface. Easy to set up that work for all technical skill levels. Slideshow parameter that can be changed to provide a unique viewing experience. Integration of cloud storage for safe and convenient photo access. Number 10. B Gift 10.1 inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame digital photo frame with 32 GB storage feature a feature that rotates automatically for a variety of viewing positions, slideshow option that can be altered to create a unique experience, adaptable design for a range of display configuration, the perfect present for loved ones on any occasion. Now we are going to share some customers feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshots on the screen which are helpful to you to choose the good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/digital picture frame slash. Join us on our the social platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Thanks again for watching.